All right, here is a rancher in North Wilmington. You see the address, 3331 Morningside. And big shout out to Dan and his team. I will have their sign in here at Coldwell Banker. Fantastic people to deal with, and totally approve this video. So thank you, Dan, and your team for being forward thinking. And here we go. So taking some of the drone footage. This one, to me, spoiler alert, since I'm, thinking now and reflecting about it, this one has a ton of potential. So when I first walked in there and saw the pictures, nothing wrong, but there's hardwood floors basically throughout this entire house. So that is very impressive, and they appear to be in good shape. So you may luck out once you pull them up, and you don't have to do much, and you got hardwood. So fantastic there, and also the basement. The basement is massive. So there was one area of it, definitely do your own due diligence and check, but knowing what I know, it looks like you may be able to put a bathroom down there. So again, always check with Newcastle County, but just my gut feel, it looks like that's a strong possibility. So that's the run through of the house. Now back to the drone footage, because I really added a lot in here. I've been missing out, I'd say, with the snow, and you can actually see some grass and some roofs. So it is fantastic. I just did a quick little circular pattern here. If you don't know North Wilmington, this is extremely close to shopping and everything that 202 offers. And this is the neighborhood technically right behind it. So just giving you a quick taste, with the aerial footage, so you see. And I'm all over North Wilmington, but I can't recall the last time I was on this street. So there you go. Wanted to tell you that. Now I'm just going to go through a series of bringing you down from above and showing you that roof and all the additional shots. So take that in as we go. But yeah, anything else about the house? If you're looking for, one-story living and something that really has a lot of potential, in my personal opinion, this may fit the bill. So there we go. I'm gonna fly in this way, try to sneak in through the trees in this one, flying slow, and then we'll get you to the boots on the ground tour and show you Dan's information. All right, here is the boots on the ground tour of 3331 Morningside Drive, and extra special shout out to Dan and his team at Coldwell. They are the listing agents, and honestly, I can't say enough good things about Dan. Just a progressive agent, understands what's going on in the market, and understands truthfully what I'm trying to do here. So kudos. Again, there you go. So let's stay outside. We will shoot all around and see the exterior, and then we'll go inside. So right out of the gate, nice 2-car garage. Clearly from looking, this is going to be one-floor living, which I know you're looking for, and many of my other clients are. And just so you get a sense of the neighborhood, spin around here, you can see many of them are very similar in style. And then you have some, more or less colonials, and a nice mix. So snow is almost all gone, which I'm loving. It was great, but I had enough of it. So here we go. So a walkway around the side. There's an entrance there. You can see the siding right here. There you are. Awnings there. Gutters appear to be newer. And here's the backyard. So exit point out of the back. And there's a patio under here too. Snow's covering some of it. And I'll tell you what, big flat backyard. Do have some trees here, but it looks like quite some time ago a big tree was taken down. So might be a good place for a fire pit or something. Again, all these comments are my own, but take this in. So there's a fence in the back. I don't know whose that is. Yeah, big backyard. See the roof? We'll go all the way around, make sure I didn't miss anything. And here you go. So this is the AC unit. There you go. It's a Lennox, so very good, especially name brand wise. essentially top of the line. Let's cruise around here. It's got a little windy. All right. Well, there you go. Good separation between the houses. All the way around. Your main electrical is coming in there. So it shoots in the backyard, just like my house. And I'm assuming the electric panel is going to be very close to that area inside the house. All right, that is the outside. Let's get you up to the front door. See if there's anything else I notice before we actually get you inside. A nice walkway here. Looks like there's some lights. I believe this is a Japanese maple. Should be really cool. I checked that. Really cool tree. All right, here's the front. And in we go. All right, so in we go. I'm actually gonna leave my boots outside. Be a good point in case another agent comes here. All right, check it out. I'm gonna turn some lights on and hand sanitize as I go. Oh, look at that fireplace that goes through both rooms. Let's just continue it. Check this out. Look at that. Solid door into the garage. 2-car garage, windows on each side. Let me just get you in here and show it with the echo. Nice high ceilings. Cool. And I would check, but just judging based on what I see there, the height there and down, there may be a slight grade to this garage. And some of them were built that way for drainage. So I'll double check, but that would be good news. So there we are, there's the garage, which is nice. If you're actually gonna use it as a garage, you come in and you can unload stuff right in the kitchen. So big floor print for this kitchen. That's the side door I mentioned. Yeah, so they updated these, the fridge. The rest of the stuff looks fairly original, but nice, neat, and clean. And I'll tell you what, this is a true eat-in kitchen. I mean, this whole area here, you could set up with, well, a booth would be really cool, or go with an island, or in general, let's figure out which wall is load-bearing. And again, not giving you stuff to do on day one, but that kitchen has a lot of potential. So there you go. Let's pull you out through there into the official dining room. And that walks out to the back patio. And that's just a bump out for the stairs going down to the basement. All right. I do imagine there's hardwoods under here. If there's a way to see easily, I will show that to you. Yep, this comes right up. So I grew up doing carpet, so I will put this back for you. But look at that. Winner, winner. That looks fantastic. So, again, just so you're fully aware, that is awesome. With a little bit of sweat equity, and I mean a little bit, not that I'm gonna sign up to do it for you, maybe I will. All this comes up, and I believe there's hardwoods under this entire place. So, a couple hours of work, and you got hardwoods. So good to know that. Here's that fireplace that goes through both of the rooms. Wow. Oh, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Let me back you up here. I don't know if they're leaving anything. There is a piano there. I will always check. Oh, cool. All right, and just for completeness, obviously we came in the front door. Here's a little foyer area. There we go. Even showed you the ceiling. So when you come in, you got a coat closet, and look, that would have been easier. You see the hardwoods right there. And they are sliders. So they, cool. Spin you around. So we saw that part of the house. Let's venture this way. Looks like 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. And your full bath here. All right, nice, neat, and clean. Yeah. Here you go. Oh, actually something I want to point out. Look at this. This is built into the wall. So, that is cool. That is really, really cool. Hand sanitize. Cool. All right, and then the 3 bedrooms. The largest of the 3. Let me get you into this corner here. You got 2 windows By the way, those windows look newer in their sliders. And I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say, yeah, there's hardwoods throughout the whole thing because you have it in the closet. So again, all these carpets come up, and wow, that is nice. These windows are sliders, so they're not double hung. They do appear to be newer. Here is the primary bathroom. So you got a walk-in shower that is bigger than most. I have one not quite half that size, but about here. So good size. Tile looks good. You got a little linen area here too. A window, by the way. Let me spin around. Sometimes filming, I don't always see things. Yeah, there you go. So fantastic. So that was the primary bedroom. Double closets. We'll just scoot across the hall. Here's the second bedroom. Same thing in here. Yep. And the hardwood floors. And these windows are double hung. And double clasped too. So, take you to bedroom number 3, which is right here. Let me tuck you in this corner. Oh, that's a good size too. All the rooms are pretty much a good size. There's your vents for heating and cooling. And you know what? That's it. Somewhere there's going to be attic access, I believe. And actually, I don't want to leave you hanging. So if it's in one of these closets, my guess is that one. There we go. So there's your attic access. I will not be climbing up there. But just so you know, that is where you go now. And if you do get the house, my suggestion, have the pull downs right here. It's right there, you walk right up. Again, personal preference, but I find it a lot easier. And if you do that, just make sure you insulate it. That's one of the #1 areas for efficiency and loss, is that attic access. So back into the kitchen. I'll spin you around to get your bearings. Oh yeah, like I said, plenty of seating room there. Somebody wanted to do an island. I believe that would be fairly easy. I mean, those cabinets are solid wood. I mean, if somebody doesn't want to do a full remodel, hey, choice is yours. But they're solid wood, from what I can tell. Here's the basement. Let's get the lights on. All right, so a lot of melting snow, obviously, right now. And that being said, look at this basement. Oh, wow, cool. Battery backup for the sump pit. I love it. Another method you can do is tie that into the public water and have like a mini generator. Here's your gas meter. Here is your laundry sink. And I just want to check to see if that's electric or gas. No, it's electric, the dryer. I see the cord. Clearly, if you wanted to convert, I mean, you got gas right here. All right, newer system outside. It matches inside here. Looks like here's all your service records. Fantastic. Extra filters. Wow, big basement. This just screams finish me. Bradford White. Again, looks like the same person that put the HVAC in either did that or serviced that. You got the expansion tank. Yep. All right, cool. Let's venture all the way around. So here's your water line coming in. And it looks, if I'm not mistaken, again, I'm gonna check, but I think you could put a bathroom down here if you finished it, especially there. So again, let me double check, but seeing what I see here, you can do that. And clearly they just don't use this basement. So no big deal. Nice. There's a sump pit area too, dehumidifier. Wow, and yep, right outside in that corner was where the electric came in. And here is your panel. So 100 amp, I believe that says. Double check the disclosure. And yeah, great basement. A lot of potential to finish this, if that is your game plan. And go from there. So I know I turned one of these lights on, I'll turn it off. Oh yeah, and I love how, you know, the HVAC and the water heater are right there. Because you can go around them, have something closed in, and have a great finished space here. I think they might have already been doing that. And this is steel. It looks like they did it all the way around. Cool. Extra support. Yeah. You don't see that in many houses. All right, here's the window. Let's get you upstairs. Old school pencil sharpener. All right, so lots of potential is what I see. And I think it was Boulder Brook or Boulder Rock. I think it was Boulder Brook. A rancher there sold, backing up to the woods. And personal opinion here, I like this layout better. So, yeah, there you go. And you can't knock this fireplace. I love it. Very cool. All right, I'll tell you what. Let's do a little flying.